Hello everyone. Today we are not going to apply makeup. Instead, we are going to remove it. As you can see, I have my eyeshadows. I have my eyeliner, and I also have my waterproof mascara. So I thought I will show you guys how I feel remove at the end of day. I'm going to use the shea butter cream. This is my favorite way to remove at the end of night because it serves as two purpose, because it not only removes the makeup, at the same time it's going to add extra moisture in, and you're not stripping away any excess moisture and making it all dry. What this is going to do is, since Sanajan's makeup is all day wear and stays very strong, this is going to start breaking the color, and as you can see, it's already my eyeshadow started coming out. Only the waterproof takes little bit of time, so what I like to do is I like to slowly apply it and give it time for it to break. With Sanajan's makeup, that's one thing you need to learn. Since the staying power is more, you need to give it time for it to break down. It applies to the makeup as well as the lip sense too. As you have seen, I have just taken just two times, I think, not more than that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let it soak in. In the meantime, I also have lip sense applied on, so I'm going to apply my oops, and I'm going to allow that to soak in too. Let me grab my oops. So apply oops, and meanwhile, as I mentioned, the shea butter cream gets to moisture, and also at the same time going to break the colors. So rub the oops remover into your lips, because um, I know we all have the question of, do I need oops? Oops is going to be the easy way that you don't have to rub hard, or you don't need to do anything to break, because the color goes in three layers. If you leave it all day, obviously it's going to break with food and other things. But if you are going to remove it immediately, then even with makeup remover wipes or something, you will put extra pressure in. Instead, with Foops, it's very easy to remove. At the same way, Foops is also going to put moisture in, because it has vitamin A, B, C and E. So it's like hydrating while you remove the makeup. And as I mentioned, even with the shea butter cream, you have a Sanaplex complex in it. So that way, while removing the makeup too, you're going to help anti-aging. And the same way, even if you're using our liquid Foops remover, it's going to be of the same type. Either way, it's all works in to take out the makeup end of day, but not in a harsh way. So I'm going to dip my towel in hot water and be back. So I have dipped my towel in warm water. What I like to do is I like to press it against the skin, and that way it can help to open the pores. At the same time, it's like a gentle warm face towel bath kind of. So I like to always do that and just wipe it across, and then I will go ahead and wash my face with the cleanser again, because you should never confuse these two steps anytime. You can see the I mean the makeup is started to coming out. So cleansing the face is different from removing the makeup. So you should always make sure you remove your makeup first, and then you cleanse it again. So don't think that when you are wearing a makeup, you can just cleanse the face and it will clean the makeup out. So always make sure you clean it first, either with a makeup remover wipe, or as I mentioned, with uh, shea butter cream, or makeup remover wipes. Either way it's fine, but always make sure you do remove the makeup first, and then go ahead and use the cleanser of your choice, and make sure you moisturize after that. So hope it helps you. That's all for today. Have a wonderful day.